When we initially had the greenhouse, I actually incorporated Olivia into it a lot when she was younger. We spent an weekend afternoon, and I had bought the lavender that I said I have, all over, and we had bought probably 11 pots and soil and the plants, and she came out here with me, and that's what we did all afternoon. She helped me plant the lavender, and she loved it. And so it does give us quality time to spend together that's not in front of a television or technology in any way. And so I think as she grows up, I think she will still be drawn to this because it's something that we've done from a very early age. She helped me in the garden when it was outside, and she's always wanted to buy her own plants. I have a geranium back there that she planted last year that's still back there, and she tends to look for everything that's pink. So if you see pink in here, she probably picked it out. And so, as she gets older and has her family, I certainly hope I'm blessed enough to be able to bring my grandchildren into this world and let them experience that.